So one of the most asked question is how to use Shein outfit generator feature. So when it comes to the outfit generator feature, Shein had hosted a competition where you could actually go ahead and create your own outfit and then you would win some rewards. At the moment in the Shein application, as you can see, if you go ahead and look for the Gals or Shane outfit generator with AI, it might not be available in your region. If it is, then you're just going to go ahead and see it in this exact page right here in me. But if you don't see it, what you can do is simply go ahead and search for Shane outfit generator. And as you can see, it will say Shein Gals outfit. So outfit is a platform where you can share your fashion ideas and then win a lot of different prizes right over here. So all you need to do is register down here, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.